The future of flight, space exploration, and science starts here at the Flight Dynamics Research Facility, or FDRF, located at NASA's Langley Research Center in Hampton, Virginia. The 25,000 square foot facility is NASA's first major wind tunnel built in more than 40 years and offers a highly versatile and cost-effective vertical wind tunnel that will enable a new generation of NASA missions. The wind tunnel consists of a dual return flow path operating at atmospheric pressure and features an actively cooled vertical test section that is 20 feet in diameter and 24 feet high. The tunnel is capable of speeds up to 117 miles per hour and dynamic pressures up to 35 pounds per square foot. Researchers at the FDRF specialize in flight dynamics and stability and control modeling of all types of vehicles, accelerating NASA's goals in aeronautics, exploration, and science. The FDRF will play a major role in experimental research for NASA's future development of autonomous flight vehicles, drones, and X-planes.
4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition. And liftoff. The crew of Artemis 2 now bound for the moon.
As NASA returns astronauts to the moon through the Artemis program, the facility will play a vital role in testing designs for entry, descent, and landing that will ensure a safe return to Earth. The FDRF will also support vehicle development and risk reduction for NASA and commercial crew capsules and launch abort systems. In addition, the FDRF will support the entry, descent, and landing phase for science missions sending spacecraft to planets and moons with atmospheres such as Venus and Saturn's moon Titan. Specialty support systems and test techniques at the Flight Dynamics Research Facility enable static testing, dynamic force oscillation and rotary motion, free flight, parachute dynamics, and spin recovery testing. Methodologies from flight test techniques have also been adapted to enable rapid aerodynamic modeling for complex electric vertical takeoff and landing or eVTOL vehicles. The FDRF replaces two legacy flight facilities, the vertical spin tunnel and the 12-foot low-speed tunnel, which have provided support for all types of flight vehicles, from biplanes to supersonic aircraft to space vehicles. NASA's newest wind tunnel consolidates their test capabilities into a single state-of-the-art wind tunnel with greater performance and reduced maintenance and operating costs. In addition, our thoughtfully integrated facilities, which offer model design and fabrication capabilities, enable NASA Langley to offer a full spectrum of research and development solutions, from concept to completion. The Flight Dynamics Research Facility is advancing innovation for NASA, industry, and the nation, and demonstrating NASA Langley's commitment to transformation and world-class research and facilities.